It's been quite a while since Apple gave its premium earbuds, the AirPods Pro, a major upgrade. Apart from the port change from Lightning to USB-C in late 2023, we haven't seen a full hardware refresh since the AirPods Pro launched in 2022. That's almost 3 years without a meaningful redesign or performance upgrade. But the wait might finally be coming to an end. So, what exactly is changing with the AirPods Pro 3? Why is this launch expected to be one of the biggest updates to Apple's wearable audio line in years? Let's break down the 5 biggest features coming to Apple's AirPods Pro 3 explained in full detail. Optimized for tech-savvy users, Apple fans, and those wondering if it's finally time to upgrade. 1. Advanced health features, heart rate, temperature sensing, and beyond. One of the most transformative changes rumored for the AirPods Pro 3 is the integration of health sensors, similar to those seen in fitness-focused wearables. Earlier this year, Apple-owned Beats introduced the Beats Pro 2, which included a built-in heart rate monitor. This wasn't just a throwaway feature, it was seen as Apple's quiet way of testing new health tracking technology outside the AirPods brand. Now, all signs point to heart rate tracking making its way into the AirPods Pro 3, and possibly going even further with the near temperature detection. We could also see integration with Apple Health, where your heart rate variability, resting heart rate, active heart rate zones, and daily trends are monitored directly through your earbuds. This would make AirPods Pro 3 not just a premium listening device, but a true wellness companion working seamlessly with your iPhone or Apple Watch to give you real-time feedback on your physical state, all without needing to glance at a screen. Apple's direction here is clear. Earbuds are becoming health wearables, and the AirPods Pro 3 are set to lead the way in this emerging market. 2. Major audio quality boost. H3 chip plus lossless audio plus Bluetooth 5. For audio quality has always been one of the strongest suits of the AirPods Pro series, but with AirPods Pro 3, Apple is preparing to raise the bar even higher. Central to this improvement is a brand new H3 chip, the next-generation audio processing engine that's expected to replace the current H2 chip found in AirPods Pro 2. What's changing? First, Apple is targeting lossless audio, something it already enabled on the Vision Pro headset using a proprietary wireless protocol. That technology may finally be brought to the AirPods Pro lineup. The H3 chip will be designed to process high-fidelity audio with ultra-low latency, likely in combination with Bluetooth 5.4, which supports LA audio, a newer standard that brings better battery efficiency, higher quality audio streaming, and multi-stream audio allowing for separate left, right channels and more stable performance. So, whether you're listening to Apple Music, watching Dolby Atmos content on Apple TV+, or playing immersive mobile games on an iPhone 17 Pro Max, AirPods Pro 3 are likely to deliver studio-grade sound with lower distortion, richer bass, and spatial clarity. Expect to hear noticeable improvements in high-resolution detail and instrument separation, Dolby Atmos playback quality, latency for gaming, and streaming voice clarity during calls and falsetto methods would put AirPods Pro 3 among the top contenders in the premium wireless earbud category, competing with the likes of Sony WF-1000XM6 and Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra. 3. Enhanced noise cancellation. Next-gen adaptive audio. With smarter Ioni, of the most celebrated features of AirPods Pro has always been its active noise cancellation ANC. With each generation, Apple has refined this feature, and in AirPods Pro 2, it processed environmental noise up to 48,000 times per second using the H2 chip. Now, with the H3 chip and the integration of Apple Intelligence, the AirPods Pro 3 are poised to enter an entirely new era of intelligent sound adaptation. Expect smarter algorithms that don't just block noise, they learn from your environment and adapt in real time. You'll likely see dynamic transparency that adjusts sound filtering depending on noise type and intensity, ideal for city streets, airplane cabins, or gyms. Adaptive audio profiles that shift automatically based on your current activity. Commuting, walking, focused work, voice isolation improvements to reduce background chatter and wind interference during calls. A broader frequency range for low-end sound suppression, allowing deeper bass tones without distortion. These upgrades are likely powered by on-device AI models, miniature machine learning systems embedded in the H3 chip that can intelligently detect what kind of environment you're in: train station, cafe, library, and auto-adjust your ANC levels and EQ settings. This is Apple's vision of smart listening, where your AirPods adapt to your lifestyle without any manual adjustments. 4. Refined industrial design. New case, sleeker buds, and better ergonomics. Sizing changes may not always be dramatic, but they often make the biggest difference in daily usage. With the AirPods Pro 3, Apple is expected to introduce a more compact, modern, An ergonomic look both for the earbuds and the case. Here's what's rumored so far: a redesigned charging case. Slimmer and more pocketable, possibly with a concealed LED indicator for charge status. A hidden capacitive pairing button removing the physical button in favor of a touch-sensitive area. For easier connectivity, shorter stems on the earbuds themselves. Possibly inspired by the AirPods 4 and AirPods 3 design language. Improved in-ear fit for better passive isolation and comfort over extended periods. While Apple is not expected to ditch the stem-based design entirely since it helps with gestures and microphones, it may reduce the overall footprint for a sleeker aesthetic. Some leaks suggest a new sensor array positioned in the earbud tip for better skin detection and health tracking. Additionally, the case may support reverse wireless charging on future iPhones, something hinted at an internal firmware strings. Overall, these design updates are not just visual. They're about improving usability, comfort, and integration into your daily workflow. Whether you're using AirPods for workouts, video calls, or casual music listening, this new design will likely feel lighter, smarter, and more adaptive. 5. Upgraded precision tracking. UWB to chip and next-gen Find My integration lows in your AirPods is one of the most common frustrations among users. Apple partially addressed this with the Find My integration and built-in speaker in the AirPods Pro case, but AirPods Pro 3 is expected to go even further. We're talking about the integration of Apple's second-generation ultra-wideband UWB2 chip, similar to the one in the latest iPhone models. This will enable hyper-accurate spatial tracking within inches of your actual location. Key benefits of UWB2 and AirPods Pro 3. Pinpoint accuracy when locating your lost earbuds indoors or outdoors. Visual R-based tracking on iPhone, showing you exactly where to move. Better pairing with Apple Vision Pro, Apple Watch, and other Apple devices for proximity-based handoff. Enhanced spatial awareness for features like Live Listen or shared audio experiences. Apple may also introduce proximity-based automation. For instance, if your AirPods Pro 3 are in your ear and your iPhone detects a trusted device nearby, it could auto-launch apps, send notifications, or change audio modes depending on your location. Tracking tech is becoming smarter, and Apple wants to make sure you never lose your earbuds or your personalized settings again. What about live translation? Here's the reality: live translation was one of the most hyped potential features rumored for AirPods Pro 3. The idea was simple yet futuristic. Real-time translation between the people via your AirPods and iPhone, ideal for travel or international business. However, as we've now confirmed with iOS 26, live translation is not exclusive to the AirPods Pro 3. Instead, it's tied to devices that support Apple Intelligence, such as iPhone 17, M Series Max, and the latest iPads. So yes, you'll still get live translation with AirPods Pro 3. But it's not the AirPods doing the heavy lifting, it's the Apple Intelligence neural engine running on your paired device. That said, AirPods Pro 3 may offer optimized microphones, lower latency, and localized translation sound cues, improving the overall translation experience when used with supported devices. When will AirPods Pro 3 be released? All signs point to a September 2025 launch, lining up with Apple's annual fall keynote where the iPhone 17 Pro Max and other flagship hardware will be revealed. Given that it's been 3 years since the last generation of AirPods Pro, and considering all the ecosystem-wide changes Apple is rolling out with Apple Intelligence, iOS 26, and the H3 chip architecture, the timing makes sense. Pre-orders will likely begin within a week of the announcement, with retail availability by the end of the month. Pricing is still unconfirmed, but expect the AirPods Pro 3 to come in around $149 to $279 USD, maintaining Apple's premium tier, while possibly introducing new SKUs or finishes. Final thoughts. Should you wait for AirPods Pro 3? If you're using AirPods Pro 1 or 2, or even standard AirPods, this is the upgrade to wait for. Apple is clearly shifting AirPods from just being earbuds to becoming fully intelligent, AI-assisted health wearables with high-end audio and real-time interactivity. With the H3 chip, enhanced noise cancellation, lossless audio, health features, and refined design, the AirPods Pro 3 represent not just a new product but a new category of personal tech. So, if you're considering an upgrade, hold off a little longer. AirPods Pro 3 might be Apple's most advanced and intelligent audio wearable yet.